Hi, and thanks for joining us on this brief training video on how to use your Yealink T73 handset. In this session, we're going to cover the basics, including how to place a call on hold, how to transfer a call to a colleague, how to use the built-in directory, and also we'll get started with looking at the keys on the handset. So first up, let's look at the universal volume control key. Now, when we're not on a call, pressing these buttons will change the volume of the ringtone. When we go off hook on loudspeaker, the keys will change the volume of the loudspeaker. And then finally, when the phone is off hook and we're on a call, the volume control keys will automatically change to change the volume of the speaker in the handpiece. The navigation keys are placed here in the center of the handpiece and can be used in any of the menus. On the right hand side, we have the hold key, the transfer key, the redial key, and the loudspeaker key. Moving on now to the touch bar, we have the message key, the headset key, the mute button, and the extended page key. At the top, the left and right hand side of the screen are line keys, with the keys underneath context aware and dynamic to whatever feature the phone is currently in. To use the directory, hit the directory key and you can scroll through all of your contacts. You can even search by typing in a name. And once you've found the contact you wish to call, simply select them and hit call. Let's take a look at placing an outbound call. So if we type in our desired outbound number, hit the call key, and then we'll take the handpiece off hook. Now we have a live call. The options on screen now show for transfer, hold, conference, and on the next screen, end call. Let's show how we place a call on hold. Hitting the hold key will show a pause icon on screen. At this point, the external party is hearing the on hold music. We can hit resume again to bring the caller back and continue our conversation. With your new handset, you can transfer with ease. Simply hit the transfer key. Now you have the ability to either transfer via the directory, you can transfer using the extension number, or you can transfer with keys. We'll go ahead and use the keys. As you can see, it makes an internal call. Your colleague can then answer the call and you can transfer the call once you've told them who is calling. And it then shows on screen, transfer is complete. And this concludes today's training session for the T73 handset. There are more information guides available. If you contact Apollo Cloud Support Desk, we'll be able to give you a PDF quick start guide with more information on the specific features for this handset. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your new phone.